Hey guys, welcome to my channel Chill Dude. Here is the Mamaearth Aloe Vera Gel Face Moisturizer with aloe vera and ashwagandha for youthful glow. Aloe vera is helps to nourishing and hydrate your skin, and ashwagandha is helps to protect your skin from radical damage. Suits all type. Very small packaging. Net quantity is 15 ml and price is 99 only. Shelf life 2 years. Packaging is good and plastic positive. Color is white, easy to carry. Texture is lightweight, summer and winter appropriate. This is gel and creamy consistency. Fragrance is mild. Absorb your skin very quickly. For me, thumbs up for this product. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel. Also like, share and comments. Please support me as a supporter. Thank you lovelies for watching my video.